happening?
Mark, what's up, dude?
See you, man.
What's up, man?
Justin.
Good to see you, buddy.
How you doing?
How are you?
Oh, God, we're videoing already, huh?
Oh, yeah.
The entrance.
How's it going?
Good, man. Glad you guys made it in.
Hey guys, Justin here, American Pool and Spa out of Richmond, Kentucky. And I'm standing in the presence of Mr. Mark Henderson with Pools and Spas Unlimited.
Hello everybody.
And we are up here in Delaware. We are 10 hours away. We're so excited. We're a little dirty. We didn't dress the part to be in front of y'all, but we look great though, right, Mark?
Is my hair messed up?
No, it looks beautiful, baby.
Okay,
beautiful.
good.
The neat thing is, he's invited us to come up. We met at a conference. Mark has been in the pool industry for how long, Mark?
44 summers.
44 summers. That is older than...
Easy now.
But the thing is, the guy knows about anything when it comes to swimming pools. And here's the thing, what I respect this man the most, if he doesn't, he figures it out. And the second thing I love about this guy is the passion. He's just like me. We love what we do.
Yes,
it's exciting.
we do. Yep.
But we wanted to come up, meet him, and tell him where he can tell his story about what he does, what he's all about. But the biggest thing, he invited us up because we were doing a pool build that you're going to see that we are so excited to be part of. We started digging today, but the thing is you know, we can learn from one of the best. So Mark, what is some of the neat things you guys do? We're standing here in your retail store. He's got trophies. He's got different things that he's won, different awards. What are you guys in your company all about?
Well, here at Pools and Spas, we build vinyl liner pools, we build fiberglass in-ground pools, we build concrete pools, we build public swimming pools, school pools, things like that. We sell hot tubs, we have all the accessories you can imagine. We have crews that do concrete, pavers, and of course the in-ground crew. And in the retail store, we sell all the floats and rafts and chemicals. We have a testing department. We have an incredible staff upstairs that manages and controls everybody. So I think we're pretty well-rounded. We're trying, but there's always room to grow. Don't forget that one.
Absolutely. And with Mark and his team, they have been able to do a great job. I like to use the word with synergy around them as far as coming together, how they work as a team with his pool builders, the team that's on the installs, the group that we've got to meet, all those guys. Shout out to them. They have been incredible through this whole process, showing us what they're doing. The systems and processes that this whole company has put into place here in Delaware, I mean, it's just incredible for what they're doing. Another thing Mark has mentioned, you know, they're a full retail store. They do all kinds of install service work. But another thing what Mark does is a lot of commercial work, which is a lot to take on. Our company right now, we're not to that level. We're not doing any of that. We're all residential.
Yeah.
But you guys put in how many residential pools ballpark?
We do 80 pools a year.
80 pools a year? And then commercial, what do you think?
Commercial pools, well, this year was different. We're going to do probably 12 to 15. And they're like 4,000 square foot to 10,000 square foot pools.
So the neat thing with that, Mark's able to do any kind of custom different designs. He draws them out all himself.
Love to draw them.
But with that, we want to take you guys over and show you guys what the pool we're here building, and it is the Radiant.
Here, Steven, hold on for this a little bit. I want to take this in for now.
Okay.
The skimmer, I mean like all the main lines. I'll have the pump with the T coming out with the jammy for the skimmer and main. I need to find out if there's a heater on the pool. I'll plumb from the pump to the filter. I'll do the backwash line.
So you're just plumbing side then?
Yeah, I mean I do it. We all do it. Whatever. If one of us
get in where you fit in.
Pool, yeah, we just. I mean, right now
everybody knows how to do it. They just get on.
Yeah.
I didn't expect to see the tarp thing. That's something else.
What I did a lot of times with these freeform pools, if we got time, which is the easiest way to do it, we'll make a tarp of this.
Like a
Which we already had done in this case.
A template.
Right.
Yeah, we'll make a template out of it. And we use these ABs right here. See, you got A, and B back here.
Yeah.
We set these two pins and we triangulate everything. They generate it for us.
That's your whole list right there of the numbers to do this entire dig.
It plots
Did they
everything
give you
out.
that?
Yes.
Yeah,
That's
you
what I'm
asked
saying.
Special for
I
They
worked
had
with
to
them.
train them.
Yeah, that's the upper deck. It's a 2-deck project. That's the top deck. So what we do, we hold the stick on there and we run this up and down till it's you know, solid beat. Now we know that's set. That's the elevation. So now we want the lower deck 7 inches down, a step down. So you got to measure up the stick 7 to go down.
So
We got to get down to the panel height
just get
first.
that first, and then
Because once we get down to there, we can drop our points and start shaving and
Shaving how you need. Okay.
the deep end. Watch those hands.
We just had a talk a few minutes ago. Like the entire process of what I'm doing has changed. He's like, get everything. It's going to be a training video.
Better to go wider than not wide enough.
How to get that river?
Well,
Ronda gave us trouble.
but if you get well, you can adjust it too.
Yeah.
You got your splines that go in there.
Yeah, we use C
Sequence
clamps.
them, and that pinches them together. And then you get your bomb beam.
This is what I want right here anyway.
You sure?
Oh yeah.
Big money right here.
Yes, he's big. Portuguese.
Just to try to get it parallel with the.
I've more to do in a half year.
I just told him.
I didn't tell him to come in.
How did I?
Hey.
Nice and pert.
Keep on going, Mississippi moon gonna keep on shining on me. Yep. Wow.
See that?
Yeah.
Duct tape anywhere? We had something else.
glove, Joel! The glove!
Keep telling you, take the damn gloves off.
Hey, glove!
Anything, just fucking go for 8-10 hours or more.
Oh, it's my bag. That'll be alright. Yeah! Yeah! Jeez.
Put your camera down, you gotta help.
Oh, shit.
Game time! Come on, Steve, don't let it get hung up on the steel. Yeah.
Alright. Okay. I kinda got you.
Hey, put your camera down.
Yeah, I got the lines here.
There you go.
We're here with the, we want to call it the Delaware Superdome.
Yeah.
Mark is so good about being creative when it comes to building a swimming pool. Real quick, if you turn this way, we have snow on the ground. Point being, we had to get a liner in. Come in with us.
Come
Let's
on
go.
in.
Now, Mark, when we get in here, we'll talk about it. Mark, I'm gonna let him go with you. Go ahead. You go first. Go ahead.
Go with Mark. Okay. What we got here, guys, I noticed that Justin already shared the video earlier when we were trying to put the steps together. And if you can turn it over onto the pool, you can clearly see that the liner is a perfect fit. And we have the water going in right now. So they're going to be bringing 18,000 gallons in the next probably half hour to 45 minutes. We have giant vacs. They're giant vacuums that are sucking the air out of the liner, and that's what gives it, looks like it's painted on. So once the water gets up so high, we'll pull those vacs out, and he has a beautiful job. Amen.
We got the homeowner. Hey, we're on Facebook Live, man. Hey, for a homeowner, this is the funnest time, right? Seeing your water in your pool, baby. So with Radiant Swimming Pools, this is one thing that Mark and I have connected on as far as all the things that Radiant offers. We've got different custom shapes, sizes, you know, it's a difference as far as the versatility that you can do as far as with these swimming pools. You agree, Mark?
Absolutely. You can virtually, if you can think it up, we can build it and they will make sure we have it.
Where Mark and I met was at the Radiant, their dealer conference, and what was really cool was kind of the new slogan we've kind of come up with is draw it on a napkin. You and your wife, husband, anyone at home, draw up a pool and we can basically put it in your backyard. Now, the neat thing about Mark and his company that our company really respects this man is the time you take with all your customers to draw their pools out. What's that all about?
I just think it's a personal touch. When you literally go visit someone in their yard and you come up with an idea and you come up with a plan, and then you go home and you draw it. You know, I'm not a CAD guy, I'm not that brilliant, but I am old-fashioned, I'm the pen and pencil, you know, and not too many erasers, but I literally draw the pool out with the house in place, and I email it to them. I try to get it to them that night, and it's a special touch. People love that attention. And then we alter it and change it, and it's their dream. It's your backyard. It's what you're gonna live the rest of your life, you know, enjoying.
What's awesome about Mark here in Pools and Spas Unlimited is the fact that he goes the extra mile. So anyone here in Delaware, I really want to point out to the fact how he takes the time, you know, and like I said, the passion, the energy. Any pool dealer like ourselves really respects that for another person and another business that's doing that. You know, and with that being said, Mark, with you doing and designing and being so great at that, what exactly am I sitting on? Because we showed up, we came into the store, we got a tour, and now we're sitting here in front of Radiant, but I've never done anything like this.
This is what Radiant got me so attracted on, because we all want to sell swim up bars, right? You want to go in your pool, you want to party, you want to swim up to the bar, you want to have a cocktail, but they're so expensive to build. Well, I came up with an idea with Radiant's unbelievable panel. It's semi-finished already. And I said, can you guys do a swim up bar with your panel? And they were so open-minded. They were like, absolutely. They designed it, built it. They loved it so much, they put it in the Atlantic City show. You ever been there?
Absolutely.
It's the buying convention where we do all our buying and we learn about all new products so we can take care of all you guys. So then, they loved it so much at Atlantic City, and they used it, then they gave it to us so we can have it here in our showroom and show our customers about it. So what it is, it's an actual bar. So I'm down in the ground, you're sitting in the water.
So I'd be in the water having a cocktail.
Exactly, and then there's a set of steps that goes out right here, and it's cost effective, it's something else. And Radiant is just like, let's build it, let's do it. And we put a bar top on it and make it real nice, but this is just the rough, you know, pool by itself. But when it's finished, you'll have to check out all the pictures. Are you gonna do one of these someday?
Yeah, yes sir, but
yeah,
I'm gonna have this guy teach us how to
That's
do
what I'm talking about.
So the neat thing, you guys, with Radiant, it's a vinyl liner in-ground swimming pool, but the neat thing with them, they're such custom designs. You can have an above ground or even a semi-in-ground. For us folks in Kentucky, we have a lot of hills, a lot of different you know, dirt, rock we may hit where we have to where you're not able to sink the pool all the way in the ground, so we got to have a semi-in-ground. And the thing is, you know, you guys are pretty nice and flat here, just like the pool we're building right now. It's got a lot of different custom shapes, design. Tell us a little bit about that as far as you and the homeowner. Didn't you guys sit down and you guys talked a lot about a certain design as far as the tanning ledge, the steps? I know there was something different there. What was cool about that?
You know, the thing is, there's a lot of cookie cutter builders out there. They want to just put a pool in and take the money and be gone. That's not what we like to do. We like to sit down with the customer, find out how you're going to use the pool. Why do you want a pool? Do you want a fancy shape? Do you want a plain Jane pool? What would you like? And then when we get the feel that they want something fancy, we literally just start creating shapes and find out that this is going to be a pool for you, and it's not going to look like your neighbor's pool. And they love it, and I love it. My men love it because it's something fresh, something new. It keeps everybody, you know, on fire.
And the best part about it, you as a customer at home can enjoy your own personal pool where it's not like the next door neighbor's standard rectangle pool.
Exactly.
So we can bring it really to life. When you're on vacation, we can bring that kind of special pool to your backyard. So for you folks in Delaware, please check out Pools and Spas Unlimited. They're a great company to work for. We're a pool company, like we said, out of Kentucky. It should speak a lot and very high volume and respect for this company that we're here as a pool builder, visiting them, learning from them, and the most important thing, like I said, they give you that customer service that's by far none as far as that personal touch, and it's incredible what they do. So please check them out. And as far as us, American Pool and Spa, check out another episode of #PoolGuys.
There's a bridge, so I color code the plumbing so they know they can